Ladies, okay, I saw this girl with a shirt on that said, "Dream big, it's free." And I've been thinking about that so much in regard to our business. And I just got to tell you, this morning, I just got done with my first video conference for my opportunity to be a facilitator in Denver. And I was super nervous, didn't know what to expect, didn't know how it was going to go. And I'm feeling so good now because I feel like I've overcome it. One of my biggest dreams is to just speak life into women, lots of women. And I've had this vision of me speaking in front of lots of people for a long time. And now, as my husband walked out the door this morning, he was like, "This is what you've been waiting for." And he's right. I'm seeing big dreams come true. And I found out this morning that there's only 26 facilitators in Denver this year. She said, "You guys are one of a very select few people." And I don't tell you that so that you'll say, "Yay, me." I'm telling you that because I've applied to be a facilitator before and didn't get chosen. And that was tough. I wrote some things for the talk that I'm going to give in Denver, and they got rejected, and I had to rewrite them. That was also tough, but I'm learning to overcome. And I just wanted to encourage you this morning to dream big in your business. There are so many avenues in this 31 opportunity that you can walk through to realize your dreams. And it's free. It's absolutely free to dream big. So dream big with me, and let's watch those dreams come true. Thanks for coming along on my journey. Now let's get to work.